Hello students, welcome to next episode of Mastery in Commerce. I am your teacher Geeta here. I hope the last video made it clear to you how to solve the problems of accounting equation. I thought of moving to the next topic of journal, but then I thought that first of all let us see the unsolved questions given in your textbook. In your textbook, the unsolved questions are given at the end of the chapter, page number 88. The first question is quite simple and easy, but I thought, although yes, answer is given in the bracket, but you should understand each point, that how we are recording the transactions which are given to us. The first question says prepare accounting equation on the basis of the following. So the first point is Harsha started business with cash. Now Harsha is the owner of the business, right? So when he is starting the business, so what money he is bringing in business is the capital for the business, right? Again the same rule we will be following, the same accounting equation. We all know when he is bringing cash, so on the asset side cash will be added, and cash is for how much amount? 2 lakh, right? For now nothing is to be written on the asset side, and that is also the capital. So for first, this is the only thing we will write for the first transaction which is given to you, right? We move on to the next one. Purchased goods from Naman for cash. So when goods are purchased, then we have paid cash, right? One thing I want to make clear over here, if it is not mentioned for cash and a person's name is mentioned in the transaction, it means it is a credit transaction. There are two types of transaction. One is cash and the other is credit. If it is mentioned purchase or sale on cash, then we consider it as cash transaction. Otherwise, purchased or sold by or from and name of a person is mentioned without the word cash, then we consider it as credit purchase or sale. Then it what is affected? Two people, debtors, creditors, right? That depends on purchase or sale. I think it is clear to you. Now this transaction which is mentioned, although it has name of a person, but it is mentioned over there cash, right? So we will consider it as a cash transaction. So when we are purchasing something, so obviously I have paid the cash of 40,000. So it comes to 1,60,000. Now what I have purchased? I have purchased goods. So in the same side, the amount will be added. How much? 40,000. So that side is not affected. Same side is affected of the. So again, the total comes to 2 lakh. Alright, I hope it is clear to everyone. Now we move to the third one. Third says sold goods to Bhanu costing 10,000. Now when I have sold goods to someone, cash is not mentioned. It means I have given goods to the other person on credit, right? So it means he is my debtor. Debtor is a person who gives us money. Creditor is the person to whom we pay money, right? Don't forget, don't get confused. Debtor is an asset, creditor is a liability, right? So cash is not affected. Why? Because it is a credit transaction. Now I have sold goods. So I have sold goods of 10,000. They were costing 10,000. I have sold them for 12,000. So what is 2,000? 2,000 is the profit. But from goods we will subtract 40,000 minus 10,000. So it comes to 30,000. Plus we have increased the debtor. Debtor is for how much? 12,000, right? Because he has to give me 12,000. He is not bothered about the cost, original cost. See, everyone is sitting in the market to earn profit, right? So the businessman has sold the goods which were of 10,000 for 12,000. So debtor remains 12,000, but from my goods I will deduct 10,000. Now difference you can observe, it is 2,000 difference which is coming. What is that? That is the profit. So my capital is added with 2,000, right? So now what is our total? Our total comes to 2,02,000. Right? Next we have bought furniture on credit. Now when I bring furniture on credit means I have to pay to that person on a later date. Whenever you purchase something you have to pay cash. But when you have purchased it on credit means that person has become your creditor. That person has become your liability. Right? So let us write the next point. Our fourth point is, again, cash is untouched, 1,60,000, plus when we get the furniture, don't add it in goods. Goods are different. So goods are 30,000. Debtor also remain the same, 12,000. What is added now? Furniture. Furniture is also my asset. And the furniture is for how much? 7,000. Is equal to, now my capital was how much? 2,02,000. Now my creditor has increased. Creditor is for how much? 7,000. Right? You can see the solution which is given to you in the book. Now we are at the same place. See the bracket? Asset includes what? Cash 1,60,000, goods 30,000, debtors 12,000, furniture 7,000. Over here liabilities is 7,000 plus capital 2,02,000. So the total of both the sides you get 2,09,000. This is the way how we get to the final value which is given in the book. I request you all to try question number 2. Although in my next video I will be giving the solution of question number 2 and 3. I'll try to finish it. As I'm working in a school, so I'm not able to upload the videos very frequently. But yes, I try to support you with whatever knowledge I have. If you really like the information given by me, kindly please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. We will meet in the next video. Bye.